Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, Chosen Natural Health Corner. In this video, I want to share with you guys home remedies that can help get rid of your asthma condition. It can get rid of cold, flu, and it also heals and soothes sore throat. So we're going to get the basic ingredients from your home, which is garlic, and I'm using 2 garlic bulbs. I'm using 2 green tea bags, approximately a teaspoon of black pepper. What I'm gonna also do is add some lime juice. So I'm using 1 lime. You can use more depending on how much of this you'll be making. So I'm gonna add some purified boiling water to this. So you're gonna pour the boiling water over this and you're gonna let it seep for 10 minutes. Now, black pepper contains many essential nutrients such as vitamin C, flavonoids, antioxidants, and antibacterial properties. The lime juice too also contains vitamin C, and it helps to boost your immune system. Now, when combined with honey, black pepper loosens phlegms and it helps you to breathe better. So persons who have asthma, once the phlegms, or some people may say mucus, everyone has some amount of phlegm, but once the color changes to yellow or green, that time it is potentially dangerous, because for persons with asthma, it blocks their airway passage and makes it difficult for them to breathe. So you can give this to them and it helps to clear their airway passage. And also, it soothes sore throat and suppress cough. So black pepper too, it also helps with healing liver damage if consumed on a regular basis. Now, garlic is known as an antibiotic and it disinfects the system. So if you have like the sore throat, the cold, the flu, what it does, it disinfects the system. It helps to disinfect that sore throat and it boosts your immune system and fights infection. What the green tea does, when mixed with lime juice, it boosts your metabolism and it detoxes the body, which is crucial when you have a cold, flu, or a sore throat. And knowing that we're in the time of this pandemic with COVID, this can actually cleanse and heal your immune system. It can definitely help. So this also helps with weight loss. So for those of you who are really on a weight loss journey, if you consume green tea with lime on a regular basis, it actually breaks down the fat in your body, and the lime helps to protect your cells from any free radicals. So guys, be sure to do your own research on these home remedies. They actually work, guaranteed. Whenever I feel like I'm coming down with the flu, this is something that I do. If I have a sore throat, or if I feel as though I'm about to get a sore throat, this is what I do. For my sinus, this is also something that I do. And what I like also is that, you know, when you have the sore throat, that feeling each time you swallow, it's really painful. So, and you have that really itchy feeling at times. So what the black pepper does, it helps to really soothe your sore throat. It may burn a little, but once it burns, what it does is actually helps to get rid of that inflammation and actually helps to calm it down. And then the lime along with the garlic actually cleanse the area and disinfects it so that your throat can heal. And for those persons with asthma, it will help to clear your airway passage, so it actually prevents you from having an asthma attack, because it helps to reduce the mucus buildup in the body and it helps you to breathe better. So guys, I didn't have honey, but I still wanted to share this with you guys, so I decided to go ahead and film this. So let me know what you think about this video. Be sure to like this video so that other persons can see it, because we have simple things within our homes that can help us with these conditions that many of us struggle with. So be sure to give a like, be sure to subscribe, leave a comment, let me know what you think about this video, and let me know if you tried, did it work for you. Stay safe out there, guys. See you guys next time. Bye guys.